In the energy quadrant today, taking a look at the June crude oil contract, which got up near the 66 mark today, 65.84 on the high side of things. That was up over 2%, came back a little bit to finish up a little bit more than 1.5%, closer to 1.75. On the downside, we were barely down at all, only down 20 cents from yesterday's settlement, 31 basis points, down at 64.29. So 2 sessions higher now, but that 2-session win streak is in the midst of 7 of the last 9 sessions being higher in crude oil. So crude oil definitely in a pretty solid short-term uptrend from a price action perspective. Now, a lot of this is relying on demand hopes, despite all of the damage being done by the virus in India and some places in South America, specifically Brazil. Hopes are still growing for an oil demand recovery as more U.S. states are easing restrictions toward full openings, and the U.K. actually joining in that with a very specific plan as well. New York fully reopening, that was a big part of it. Car sales are up, so it looks like people will be driving, although there isn't much of a correlation between new car sales and crude oil price specifically. The type of cars maybe, and we did see light trucks up 27%, but car sales are up at a record high, but really it's these demand hopes. And we're getting it out of the UK and the EU as well. The UK is talking about ending lockdown measures within a 7-week period of time. That comes from Boris Johnson. And the European Union is proposing to welcome vaccinated tourists this summer. So that, of course, adding to potential jet fuel demand, as well as train fuel and automobile fuel within the actual EU. So overall, things looking up in the short term for the demand side of crude oil, despite what's going on with India, with Brazil, and some South American countries. We will get EIA inventory tomorrow at the normal time. We'll be looking closely at that as well, especially that refinery utilization component.